Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sir DL and welcome to the Aliens Blog and Math Tutorial. For today, we are going to discuss Kendall's W or Kendall's Coefficient of Concordance. That will be our topic for today, Kendall's W or Kendall's Coefficient of Concordance. What are the objectives of this lesson? Number one, discuss Kendall's W. Number two, calculate the Kendall's W value. And number three, apply Kendall's W in the field of research. Number one, discuss Kendall's W. Number two, calculate the Kendall's W value. And number three, apply Kendall's W in the field of research. That will be the objectives that we need to meet at the end of this tutorial. Always remember, if you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. What is Kendall's W or Kendall's W? Kendall's coefficient of concordance. It is a non-parametric statistic, and it can be used for assessing agreement among raters. So that will be the application of Kendall's W or Kendall's coefficient of concordance. It can be used for assessing agreement among raters. Example. 3 judges were asked to rank 7 contestants in a contest. Determine if there is an overall trend of agreement among the judges. So these are the ranking of each judge. Judge number 1, 2, 3. For judge number 1, the first is contestant E, second is contestant G, third is contestant D, fourth is contestant B, and fifth is contestant A. Then 6 is contestant C. 7th is contestant F. For judge number 2, the first is E, then D is the second, A is the third, C is the fourth, G is the fifth, F is sixth, then B is seventh. For judge number 3, contestant D is the first, second is contestant E, contestant A is the third, contestant B is fourth in terms of ranking, contestant G is 5th, contestant F is 6th, and contestant C is 7th. So the Kendall W can be computed to determine the agreement among the rates, which could be transformed to ranks. If W is 0, there is no overall trend of agreement among the judges, and the responses may be regarded as essentially random. The coefficient of Kendall W to 1, the greater the agreement among the ratings given by the judges. Okay? What is the formula to be used? That is W is equal to 12 multiplied by summation of D squared over M squared multiplied by N multiplied by the quantity of N squared minus 1, where N is the number of contestants. How many contestants do we have? And M is the number of judges. D is the difference between the mean of the sum of the ranks and the sum of ranks for each contestant. Okay, the application of Kendall's W. First, we are going to state the null hypothesis. So this will be the application of Kendall's W in the field of research. Number 1, state the null hypothesis. H sub 0 or the null hypothesis, there's no agreement among the ratings of the judges. H sub 1 or alternative hypothesis, there is an agreement among the ratings of the judges. Set the alpha level, that is 0.05 or 5% margin of error. Let's now try to solve this one. So what are the steps to follow in solving Kendall's W? The first step, add the rates per row in our column. We are going to add the rates per row. 5 plus 3 plus 4, that is 12. 4 plus 7 plus 3, that is 14. 6 plus 4 plus 7, that is 17. 3 plus 2 plus 1, that's 6. 1 plus 1 plus 2, it's 4. 7 plus 6 plus 6, that is 19. 2 plus 5 plus 5, that is 12. That's the first step. Add the rates per row in our column. Second step, find the sum of the ranks and its mean. We are going to find the sum of the ranks and its mean. We are going to add this. 12 plus 14 plus 17 plus 6 plus 4 plus 19 plus 12. The summation is 84. 12 plus 14 plus 17 plus 6 plus 4 plus 19 plus 12, that is 84. Okay, let's find the mean. We are going to divide 84 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 84 divided by 7, that is 12. Okay, 84, since we have 7 contestants, divided by 7. 84 divided by 7, that is 12. The next step, find the difference between the mean of the sum of the ranks and the sum of the rank for each contestant. We are going to subtract 12 by 12, 12 minus 14, 12 minus 17, 12 minus 6, 12 minus 4, 12 minus 19, and 12 minus 12. 12 minus 12, that is 0. 12 minus 14, that is negative 2. 12 minus 17, that is negative 5. 12 minus 6, that is 6. 12 minus 4, that is 8. 12 minus 19, that is negative 7. 12 minus 12, that is 0. That is the next or the third step. Find the difference between the mean of the sum of the ranks and the sum of ranks for each contestant. Next step, find the value of d squared. We are going to find the value of d squared by simply multiplying the value of d by itself. 0 times 0, that is 0. Negative 2 times negative 2, that is 4. Negative 5 times negative 5, that is 25. 6 times 6, that's 36. 8 times 8, that is 64. Negative 7 times negative 7, that is 49. And 0 times 0, that is 0. Get the value of d squared by simply multiplying the value of d by itself. 0 times 0, 0. Negative 2 times negative 2, 4. Negative 5 times negative 5, 25, and so on and so forth. Next step, find the value of summation of d squared. We are going to add all the values on the column of d squared. 0 plus 4 plus 25 plus 36 plus 64 plus 49 plus 0. The answer is summation of d squared is equal to 178. That is the value for summation of d squared. Okay, since we're done with the table, we are now going to compute for the value of Kendall's W. So this is the formula to be used. So these are the given. We have M, the number of judges. N is the number of contestants. And we are going to substitute this on the given formula. And it goes like this. 12 multiplied by summation of d squared, which is 178, divided by M, which is the number of judges, squared, multiplied by the number of contestants, multiplied by the number of contestants, squared, minus 1. The first step, that is to multiply 12 and 178. We are going to multiply 12 by 178. 12 multiplied by 178, that is 2,136. 12 multiplied by 178, that is 2,136. Next step, find the square of 3 and square of 7. That is 3 squared, 7 squared. 3 times 3, then 7 times 7, that is 9. 3 times 3, 9. 7 times 7, 49. The second step, find the square of 3 and square of 7. Next one, find the difference between 49 and 1. 49 minus 1, find the difference between 49 and 1. 49 minus 1, that is 48. 49 minus 1, that is 48. Next step, find the product of 9, 7, and 48. We are going to find the product of 9, 7, and 48. 9 times 7 times 48, the answer is 3,024. That is the answer, 3,024. Next step, divide 2,136 by 3,024 to get the value for W. 2,000, excuse me, 2,136 divided by 3,024, the answer is 0.71. Kendall's W is equal to 0.71. Okay, that is how we compute for the value of W. Next step, we are now going to write the decision rule for rejecting the null hypothesis. We are going to determine if the null hypothesis is accepted or rejected based on the comparison of Kendall's W and critical value. So we are going to reject H sub 0 if the W value is greater than or equal to critical value. And we are going to reject Kendall W value if it is less than critical value. Let's compare. Kendall W is 0.71, while the critical value is 0.62. That is based on the table, and you can find the table on the internet. We are going to compare. 0.71 is greater than 0.62. Therefore, since the W is 0.71 and is greater than the critical value 0.62, we reject the null hypothesis. Therefore, there is an agreement among the ratings given by the judges to the contestants in the contest. That means there is an agreement among the judges who they want to win the contest. Okay, I hope you were able to follow our simple instruction for today. Always remember, mathematics will remind us that in every problem, there is a solution. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.